from Gulbarga. My father name is Kashna. My mother name is Hindu. I have two elder sister, one younger brother. I am married. My husband name is Pawan Kulkarni. I have two children, one boy, one girl. Girl name is Murasagari. Boy name is Atharva. Murasagari is second standard in Bekini Convent School. Atharva is first standard Chandrakant Patil School. My favorite color black. My favorite food veg all. My favorite sweet rasgulla. I am completed PUC second year. I am studying in commerce first sem. That's all my self-outlook. Thank you so much. The topic, the benefits of learning English. English is an international language. In the world, most people are using this language. On the daily life, it is an important language because we use this language through communication with other countries. People we also use English in many places for is used in the international business, computer language, movies and so on. As a result, many people think on learning English can get big benefits. Why? Because you can become an international person. Because you can communicated with any people in the world, and because you can improve the challenges in the job English in a common language, and you can use English to become an international person. First you could get the news. Others, then the others could. Second, you should understand others countries for using English. Third, you would depend on English to read the latest books or magazines in the words. Therefore, it can let you again more and more for studying English is an international language. When you go traveling, you will speak English to others people. In addition, you can have many friends in the world. So learning English in a good way to communicate for foreign people's English is a general knowledge, because we have to use this every day for example. There are many news, technology, new computers, new machines and so on. So we need someone who will read, speak, later listen and write English very well. Beside many competition need good office employees to good international business. If you read, write, listen and speak very well, you will have good for getting jobs. We will learning English can get their major benefits, which are becoming an international person. That's all.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ningama. My father name is Ningappa. He is a farmer. My mother name is